we're here now sa Amsterdam Airport. So, we got delayed. Ito yung sinakyan namin, the blue plane. Grabe guys, 11 na. Patating pa lang namin. Good! Tinignan ako kung morning or afternoon na. Morning! 11:25. Ngayon pala kami aalis. Kasi 12 midnight na kami nakapunta sa hotel. Kasi yung bus stop, hindi pala tumitigil sa lahat ng stop. Kailangan mong pindutin dito. So, lumag-bus, tapos naglakad na lang kami. Takot na si mama. Ayan, natulog kami only one. Tapos, nagising na lang ako like mga 10 na. Anyway, we also have a 2:55 PM appointment sa Academia Gallery. We're gonna go see the David sculpture. See guys, ang init dito, na-imagine ko na. So, I wore an old white outfit and white skirt. We're here at the bus stop. So, we're gonna ride bus number 14. Kita nyo? Kapaka-init. Oh, I saw it. It's here. That's the church. Entrance is free, but in order to get to the top of the dome, you should purchase a ticket. Pero of course, hindi ko na gagawin. Natuto na tayo sa Sagrada. Hindi ko na gagawin yung mga akyat-akyat na ganyan. Sayang bayad sa akin. Hindi na ako nag-enjoy. Hindi na ako nagpapapicture masyado. I want gelateria. How are you liking the vibe so far?
It's okay. But
wow.
not good as well. And then,
Really? Ako, nag-enjoy ako. Ang saya. Ang dali ko talagang mag-enjoy sa mga lugar-lugar. Kahit yung mga medyo boring for them. Enjoy ko. I like it here. It's so nice. We're here. Saya. Ang saya. Nandito si mama sa loob. Siyempre, shopping na naman ng damit to. Asan siya? Hanapin natin siya. Ito siya. This is the church. Kita niyo ba? Hello, overexposed. This is the church. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero cute din yung building na yun. We're gonna go inside. Hinahanap ko lang yung entrance. I think dito. Oh, pila. Balik na lang kami para pumasok. Napakahaba ng pila. And we have to have lunch na since we have a 2:55 PM. Time entry to the Academia Gallery. Ang init dito. Pero ang cute ng mga shops over there. There's may restaurant there. There's mga streets there. Cute. Let's go! We're gonna eat here. Sana walang waiting. Pero may ano naman. May mga tables. Hi! Hi guys, I'll show you the menu. It's this one. Cute lang. Saya talaga. At saka so we got the steak. Steak is here. Let's eat guys. At least first nawala. Mama. Napakatagal po. Grabe mo sarap. Ano? Kumusta ka dyan? Ha? Kumakapal. So they make it here. Wow. We're here. Wow, they have horchata. Thank you. Yeah. David. Let's go inside. The ticket na. $20.25 lang oh. Ba't si mama parang galit pa na nandito si Stitch eh. Oh, wow. Nakaka-search lang niya yan kung sino si David, tapos feeling shock. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Nakikita niyo ba, guys? Teka, lapit muna tayo. So, ngayon ko lang nalaman na yung David is made from one block of marble. Ang galing. Tapos, anyway, if alam nyo, siya yung sa Bible, David and Goliath. And he's a symbol of Florence. Thank you, ChatGPT. Ang tangkad niya, okay? Ah, may replica pa pala. Wow. Ang ganda dito, oh. Kita-kita niya yung domo. Saka ilang ganitong shops na kami. We're here again sa church, but the entrance is only until 3:45. Pa-enjoy kami eh. 5:15 na. 5:40. Ang ganda ng mga stores dito. Yung parang every store has its own charm. Has its own story. Parang yan. Ang cute. Tapos hindi mo na yan makikita ulit mamaya. Joke lang. Don't trust me. Ano pinaka-cute guys? Wala yun. I'm leaning towards this one. Dito kami bumili ng rings. Ang cute. Ipapakita ko later. Cute guys. Of course, very cheap. Nauna pa yung milkshake niya. And creamy strawberry. Ah. Yung lasa? Masarap ba? Ayun na yung akin. Thank you. Is this one? So, may replica si David dito. Andun. Actually, dyan daw yata unang location nung totoong David. Ata, parang ganun. We are in Piazza della Signora. We're just about to head out. It's already 11:16 and some of our plans have changed. We were supposed to go to Cinque Terre today, pero Pisa na lang and Lucca. Ayun, ang daming change of plans. Cinque Terre, naging Pisa and Lucca. Pero late na naman kami nagising. Kasi natulog kami ulit, sabi namin, okay, hindi na kailangan maaga. Late na kami nagising. So, useless na din. So, day trip na lang kami. I mean, tomorrow dalawa day trip namin para masulit. Maaga kami nagigising. Hindi naman kami nagigising na maaga dito. Parang chill-chill lang talaga kami all the time. Which is good. The mall by bus, ayun na, pag pwede mo pala sakyan yan, pupunta ka na sa outlet, oh. This is the church. I don't know. Maybe there, in the open part. We're here at Santa Maria Novella Church. So, this is the entrance. going here. One of the top rated gelato shops. Yan yung mga magaganda. Nasa metal gates. Much needed. Nafe-feel ko ang init, guys. Init. But I ordered pistachio and bakulan. Let's eat. Lunch done. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kasi kumain na ako. Anyway, hindi ko din maalala if nag-vlog ako. Yeah, nag-vlog ako dun sa gelato. Kasi pag punta namin dun sa lunch area, it's a ramen place, but we didn't. Dun lang. It's a ramen place, but we left, but we didn't have the ramen kasi may init. Back to strolling around. Ayan, kahit di pedestrian, tawid. Sit naman ng aso. Pharmacy stuff. 60 euros para sa toothbrush. Budol. Buti na lang mabilis mo budol si mama. This is it. Ito yata. Yeah, it's this one. Florentine Perfumery. World's oldest pharmacy turned perfume house. Bango, guys. I wanna try yung Aqua de la Regina and then yung parang Angel something. Tagalan kami. May na-meet kaming Filipino family. Tapos, tagal namin nagkwentuhan lang. Ang saya. So, ayan. Nag-exchange kami ng socials. Si mama pupunta dun sa leather bags shop na may gusto siyang bilhin. Pupunta kami dun now. And it's our last chance to visit. To stroll around Florence. Since tomorrow, we're going on a day trip. Enjoy the view. Good morning everyone! 8:36 nandito kami sa main station. Firenze, Santa Maria Novella. We're going to Lucca first and then we're going to Pisa afterwards. So, dapat mas maaga pa kami than this. But this is the best that we can do. Daming tao. Got our tickets! So hot! This is an undiscovered gem. Na kami pa lang ang makaka-discover. Cherries! We're going to, what do you call this? Le Mura de Lucca. It's the city walls. Baka mga babe. Di ako makahinga. I feel like I've traveled back in time. And feeling ko prinsesa ako. This is the cathedral. It's called Duomo de San Martino. So ayan. Kita nyo naman, iisa lang yung nagbebenta. Spaced out yung mga tao. So, super konti lang ang pupunta dito. Lucca is one of the only cities in Italy with fully preserved city walls. So, I think yung kanina, yun yung city walls na nakita natin. Ayun nga, yung may public park. Wow. So if, like, titignan nyo from above, bilog lang yung lupa. No, you just have to...
By the cathedral on
Yeah. I don't think I can do this. Is that like a tower again? Nilipat na siya here and it's currently undergoing renovation. Minsan open yung window na yun but now naka-close with blinds so we can't really see inside. Nagpapakita na lang sila based on research, it is expected to be completed in September 2025. So, medyo maaga-aga kami. Completed in September 13 to be exact. September 13, the eve. Cute naman ng mga bata. May field trip agad. Hindi ko na-vlog, guys. Tapos na kami. We're here sa kanilang main shopping street. It's called Via Filumbo. Ito yung main shopping street nila. Full of boutiques, local stores, and gelaterias. So, after nito, sa dulo, may parang Piazza del Anfiteatro. Maganda yun. So, tatapusin natin tong street na to. Of course, si Mama nasa loob ng isang shop. And what's this? This is a museum. Free entry. So, anong makikita dyan sa loob? Pero ayan o, yung typical stripes. Nakikita ko sa lahat ng churches nila. Ayan. Sobrang cute lang ng area. Ayan si Mama. What's that? The smell of Italian leather. Ooh, we have another wall. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyong, tawag dito? Piazza de Anfiteatro. Wow. Ganda sana guys, mag-video. Pero for sure, hindi alam ni Mama mag-angle-angle. Yeah. Energy crash na kami, naantok na kami. But we're here in Pisa. It's a 10-minute walk. It's a 10-minute walk from the station. So, ito, we are braving the sun. Pagtagal, hindi ko makita. Excited na ako makita siya. Ayan na pala eh! Ayan na yung orange. Feels so surreal, guys. Is it just me or parang nakakaiyak every time nakakuha tayo ng
Depende sa nakikita ko.
Ano bang naiyak?
Naiyak ako dito ngayon.
Nasaan? Nasaan iyak mo?
We're having nakamit ara-ara.
Avocado and pizza here in front of ni Mama. We're having avocado and pizza here. Avocado. We're still here, guys. It's 4:31 na. We can enter the cathedral here for free until 5:30 p.m. So we're going there since we still have time for that. Mag-pray muna tayo, give thanks, and ikot-ikot around. Nag-enjoy lang akong uminom ng avocado and kumain ng pizza here. Masaya. Wala pa akong matinong photo kasi ang init-init kanina, parang sabi namin, kain muna tayo, hindi naman naalis si pizza dyan. Ito lang siya. Kaya talikuran ko lang siya. Pero tignan nga natin siya ngayon. Ba't parang wala lang pumapasok? Yan siya, guys. Zoom in. Zoom out. Zoom in. So, gusto po niya tignan. Galing. this leather shop selling cute bags here near Trattoria Zaza, kung saan kami nag-lunch nung first day. So, cute to. I got a white version of this one. Pero bumili din si mama ng this one and this one for my sister. Kung ano man gusto niyo Ate Cara dito sa dalawa. Went back to the hotel and put everything, all of the bags actually here, yung dalawa. And then yung akin nandito. Lumilipat ang city struggles. Ang bilis ng bus na to. Gumugulong-gulong ako nung nandito ako kanina. Ngayon lumipat ako dito. Oops, si mama nandito siya. We're gonna ride the 248 train going to Roma Termini, and from Roma Termini, malapit lang ang hotel namin, which is a good thing kasi hindi ko na kaya mag-vlog. Ang bigat-bigat na ng maleta namin. Iyak na ako. Tsaka ang init-init dito sa room. Dami nangyari. Yung seat namin, supposedly, malapit lang kami sa luggages namin. But it turns out, sa pinakaharap ng coach na to, and then kami nasa pinakalikod. So, sinabi kasi sa amin mayroong lalagyan dito sa medyo likod. But apparently wala. So, si mama nandun ngayon. Buti na lang may empty space. May empty seats pa din doon. So, upo din siya. Pero hindi niya tinatanggalan ng alis yung mata niya sa mga luggages na pinagdagyan sa akin. Ayan, so hard. Ang init talaga dito. Lumipat na kami guys. Katapat ko na ngayon si mama. Ayan siya. Tapos nasa likod namin. Nasa likod ko. Yung mga luggages namin. Tandaan dyan yung mga ano. Ang next stop is Roma Termini. 424. Love our hotel here. May view ba? This is our delivery. Nauna na to sa hotel namin bago kami dumating. And this one. Contestant number 1. We have this. It's the Veneziana Classico. It's a classic one. Wala naman seal, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bubuksan ko. It's his one. Ito ba yun? Ano yung paborito mo? Chocolate version. Mauuwi ba namin lahat? The answer is yes, but I don't know the how. Oh, ang cute! Oh, this is so cute. They have a freebie. It's like, oh, it's so cute. Ang cute, oh. I forgot to show you the CR. It's this one. Out na. Nakalimutan ko na mag-suot ng mga accessories. I wore the bag that we bought. We are in Via del Corso. So, ayan, dito kami kakain sa Osteria de Fortunata. Sana wala masyadong pila. Ay, parang dami. Time check, 9:37. Maaga kami nagising ngayon because I heard na lumalabas si Pope sa balcony at a certain time, 12 noon. So, tatry namin abutan. But we have to be there ng around 10, between 10 to 10:30 para makapwesto daw kami ng maganda. So yeah, going there. Of course, we have to get breakfast first. So quick to their breakfast area kasi nagmamadali tayo. Yan, pili ko dyan ng kuha. Quick breakfast. We're here na sa Vatican. Init. Init na init. Init. All for you, Pope. Super worth it, guys. Ang saya.
May camera pa dito, baka makapano.
Mag-hi ka, mag-hi ka. Hi po. Sobrang saya. Sobrang saya. I feel blessed. Lunchtime, so we're gonna eat at the stop right to the restaurant. May award.
Oh, really? You want to sit down inside?
We'll have to wait for a while since waiting time. We meet again, Casio e Pepe. Lamb. Hindi, doon pa. Pagod na ako. Init, suta. Ang ganda sana pag malamig. Kaso ang init. Buying luggages kasi mga binili niya hindi na kasha. Ito cute kasi parang trunk. So hindi kami masyado nakapag-vlog today kasi wala talaga kaming ginawa. We just went around, strolled around, and we're now going home with one big luggage. So, ayan, andun lahat. To the point na, tandaan nyo to guys, kasi susortehin ako ng sobra-sobra. May taeng may nahulugan ako ng tae. So, tignan nyo, in time, sobrang susortehin ako. Ayaw pa niyang ikwento, but I'm gonna share it. No, I don't believe in evil eye. I have my evil eye ring. So, tignan nyo na lang ang mangyayari sa buhay ko. Bye guys! I'm just enjoying the last few hours, last few days we have left here. Since hindi na natin alam kung kailan ulit tayo babalik sa Rome. Sa next Europe ko, feeling ko hindi kami mag-Rome. I'm so hungry na. I wanna get gelato. I found a super cute bag here. Ang cute. Tapos lagyan ko ng hole random dyan. Ang haba ng pila. Yeah. Ang haba ng pila guys. Bibili mo lang ng tubig dito. Day 2 breakfast. Last day in Rome. Last day in Europe, I mean. But, it's 1:37 na kami lumabas. Kasi, we slept all we want. And then, we had breakfast. And then, after breakfast, hilata pa kami. Kasi actually, uwi na din talaga kami. Like, enough na yung stay namin here. Yung duration. If ever nga uuwi kami today, pwede na eh. But, of course. Actually, nung nag-book kami, sabi ko parang bitin, parang gusto ko pang mag-extend. Pero, buti na lang. Yun na lang yung duration na pinili namin. Kasi, you can only, there's like a maximum day na enjoy ka pa. Tapos after that, uwi ka na. I know na what this is, guys. Dito nilibing si Pope Francis. Sobrang lapit lang sa hotel namin. Oh, there's quite a line. Parang iyan naman na ata agad. See you, Pope Francis. Makakaisang holy door pala kami. This is the holy door. Ito-touch ko na din. If my memory serves me right, this is where Pope Francis requested to be buried. Kasi ito yung favorite niya church. Tama ba? Let's pray here and thank the Lord. We're on our way to Trevi Fountain. So paglabas namin sa street na to, yun na yun. It's this one. Super familiar ng street na to. I think dito din kami nang galing last time. Hindi ko alam. I might have to double check my past YouTube vlog. Spanish Steps. Here again, guys. Thank you. Break. Expected, during our last day, hindi na ako masyadong nakakapag-vlog kasi parang last minute shopping, last minute stroll na lang. Ang ginawa lang namin today was to see the Trevi Fountain and the Spanish Steps. Ang cute nung papakita ko sa inyo. It's so cute, right? It's a Polaroid with the Trevi Fountain view. Pero hindi kasi sa likod ng phone ko. Nakailang balik kami dito. Siguro everyday na nandito kami. Pumupunta kami sa Douglas. In fairness, hindi sobrang init today. Kung kailan nag-dress up, para press ko lang. Parang hindi yata kami pinawisan today. Bye Roma. Bye Italy. Bye Europe.
Wait for us again. Wait for us again.
Wait for us again.
Gonna bring my grandchildren here. Even though it's
Kailan kaya? Parang magandang bumalik dito sa December. Christmas markets. This Christmas. Anong next Christmas? This Christmas. Parang, sounds like a plan.
Let's go! Go here right now.
Okay, blind
What about
smell.
you want me to do a video of you?
It's okay, I'll just put it here.
Very good idea.
I'll just put it here. Yeah, it's so portable. Go.
First one. Like it. One.
Alam mo, in order yan. Ito. 1 to 6 yung ginagawa mo. Hindi alam ko kung
Okay,
ano.
ulitin natin. I-mix ko para hindi mo na alam.
BNG.
No. It's your band.
BNG. No. Kasi malaman.
DMG.
Kapri-in lang.
Oo, si tama.
Chloe. Wala.
Yeah. We're expert now, huh?
Mod vanilla na.
Yeah.
Pupunti lang eh. Ay, bianco latte. Hindi ko siya naman. Plus na yung ano. Gets ko na. Ang mabango yung DNG talaga. Just gonna have dinner in our hotel. Rooftop restaurant. Dito din kami dati kumain. Nila dati. When we arrived here. So cold here. Kaya naka-scarf ako.